Hey everybody, I have a super quick card to share with you. So, I really want to use up all of my backgrounds that I've created over the last year or two. I have some alcohol backgrounds, some ink blending, some color burst, all sorts of different backgrounds that I've created. And right now I'm just going through them and I pick out one that I want to use. My goal was to use the foil on top of the background and create a card that way. So I can just have a bunch of one layer, super simple cards to share with you. But I was having a little bit of trouble with the alcohol backgrounds. The alcohol, when it was heated up, it was getting a little bit sticky. And same with the backgrounds that I created with the gel plates with the acrylic paint. They're just too textured to get the foil on there. But anyways, for this card, I use the Glimmering Sentiments. This one has the foil plate plus a die to cut out that sentiment. And this one says, "You brighten my day." And there is tons of different colors of foil. Right now I'm using the black and it is pretty matte. It's not like shimmery or like iridescent or anything. So I really like that, especially for something simple like this. All right, the background that I chose for this card, I believe this was when I was playing around with my oxide inks, and I don't recall the exact colors, but I will definitely have them linked in the description box down below for you guys if you want them. They go gorgeous together. So I cut that down, and then I'm taking some fog cardstock from Simon Says Stamp, and I layered that background on top of the fog. And then I actually used some foam to pop it up a little bit, give it a little bit more dimension. As you guys know, I love dimension. I love more mixed media style. So making these super simple cards are a little bit hard for me, but I think they're nice to have so that I can just grab and send something out to somebody if I need to. Or if I want to make something specific, then I have the foil system to and all of my backgrounds to help me out with that because this card was so easy. It probably honestly took not even 10 minutes. So that is going to be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed and leave me a comment down below. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure to hit that like button as well. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.